Hello, we're at a three-bed end terraced house coming up for rental. Beautiful interior, built in 2017. I shall show you inside in a second. We're in Shap. You've got nice extended views. There's farm buildings across. And if you know Shap, it's a long straight road runs through the centre of the village. Big car park to the side, and you have two allocated parking spaces on that car park, but there's plenty of room to park out the front as well, so that's not going to be a problem. We're on a raised terrace. It's got a low metal rail just for a little bit of health and safety. Meter boxes are both outside of the property. Now we've got a nice composite door which takes us into the interior. So you walk into the hallway, and in the hallway you get access to the living room kitchen. Stairs rising to the first floor and a little ground floor cloak. In fact, I'll show you that now. So you've got a wash hand basin and a WC, really handy. And then in our living room, we've got a nice feature there sat on the recessed hearth in the chimney breast, which is a solid fuel wood and coal burner. And we've got a window looking out to the front. Plenty of room in here for a three-piece suite, television table and associated living room furniture. So that's your living room. And then the kitchen. Oh, just on my way, I'll just show you. Under stairs, you've got a very handy storage cupboard. Place to put hoovers and coats and that sort of thing. And then you come into a kitchen diner. So it's really nicely fitted out. Lovely white cabinets at the wall and base level. We've got an electric oven, ceramic hob as an extractor over. New boiler up on the left there, real efficient boiler. And you've got space underneath the counters for, really you could plumb in both a dishwasher and a washing machine. And behind the door there, we've got space for a tall fridge freezer. At the opposite end, we've got plenty of space for dining. So you'll get a family-sized dining table in there for 6 or so people, I would think. I'll show you the garden outside in a second, but let's go and take a look upstairs. We'll make our way up the turning staircase. All the walls are plastered, most of them painted white. There's a bit of colour here and there, but all in really good condition, as are the floor coverings. There are two double bedrooms upstairs. This one to the front of the property, with those views out to that street, which I just showed you before we came in. Plenty of room for a double bed and a wardrobe in here. The second double bedroom is to the back. It's a little bit bigger. And this one's looking out to the rear. And you get an impression there of the garden. It is raised up and very secure, so great for kids to the rear there. The third bedroom, it is a single, but actually it could even be used as a small double. It would certainly take a double bed. So again, this one to the back of the property, viewing out over the rear garden, and really spacious. And then we've got the family bathroom, which is three-piece, P-shaped bath. We've got a thermostatic shower over, a WC, wash hand basin. There's a chrome towel rail as well. So all in nice order. Let's go and take a quick look at the garden. So we get to the rear garden via these two opening doors in the French patio style, which is from the dining room. You step outside. There's a path all the way around there for access back out to the front, and the car park's just to the right there. And you can see that the garden is a tier up. It's all banked up and behind these timber planks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps up, and you have a secure garden with grass laid to lawn. There's 1 or 2 patches there have been used for plants. There's the back of the property, and you just get a little bit beyond an idea of what's there beyond the front door, and there is the car park to the side. Your spaces are there and there. So there you go. This is now available with Hunters. Really nice 3-bed end terrace, lovely condition. If you're interested, please get in touch and we'll fix up a viewing.